AI presentations have just reached a whole new level, and honestly, this changes everything. With just a single click, I was able to generate complete, well-structured presentations directly from my files. And the best part? It's completely free, thanks to Google. Hello everyone, I'm Aisha, and you're watching AI Tech Vision. Let me walk you through how you can do the same. First, head over to Google's NotebookLM and sign in. Once you're inside, either open an existing notebook or create a new one. Now, the interface is divided into 3 sections. On left, you'll find your sources. This can include PDFs, links, videos, and more. In the center, you interact with the AI through chat. And on the right side, there's the studio panel where all the tools and generated content appear. Recently, 2 power features were added, the infographic tool and the slide deck generator. The slide deck option is what creates presentations using your uploaded sources. Recently, but here's something most people overlook. Don't just click the slide deck button right away. Instead, click the small edit icon first. Once you open it, a setup window appears. Here, you can choose the presentation format. If you're making slides for personal study, go with a detailed format. If you're presenting in front of others, select the presenter style. You can also adjust the length depending on how much content you want. Another useful option is language. Even if your source material is in one language, you can generate the presentation in another. For now, I'll keep it in English. Next comes the most important part, guiding the AI. You need to clearly describe your topic and what you want the presentation to focus on. The more specific you are, the better the results will be. After that, define your audience. Are they beginners, professionals, or students? Whether you want something modern, playful, professional, or even specific color themes. Once everything is set, click Generate. Depending on how many sources you've added, it may take around 5 to 10 minutes. And just like that, you get a fully prepared presentation. The structure, visuals, and content quality are seriously impressive. If you want to save it, you can download it, but keep in mind it will be exported as a PDF file. Another cool thing is that it supports multiple languages. I read and tested it with presentations in Arabic, and the accuracy was surprisingly good. I've tried many AI presentation tools over the past few years. Tools like Gamma usually work with a single document, but NotebookLM goes further by combining multiple sources. Documents, videos, links, and more into one cohesive presentation. That's why the depth of content really stands out here. Of course, it's not perfect yet. You can't preview or edit the outline before generating, and there's no option to edit the slides afterward. But since this feature is still in beta, there's a good chance Google will improve it soon. And remember, AI isn't just limited to presentations. You can even use tools like Google Gemini to create your own apps. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. See you in the next one.